Do you want to search privately on Perplexity AI app? In this video, I will show you how to use private mode on Perplexity app step by step so your searches and activities stay more private. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Perplexity app. Then you will go to above to this sign of profile. Then you will find settings, so we will tap on settings, as you see here. You will click on settings, and then here on this page you will find incognito mode, as you see. So we'll tap here to enable this feature, and we will click on turn on here, enable. As you see here, create anonymous threads that don't appear in your library and expire after 24 hours. So this is how you can enable it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.